Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to clear Epic Games Launcher cache. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to clear your Epic Games Launcher cache, you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. To do this properly, open the Start menu, search for Task Manager and open it. At the top search bar, type Epic. If you see Epic Games Launcher, right-click on it and choose End Task. Also, make sure to end Epic Web Helper if it appears. If you don't see them listed, that's fine. It just means they're already closed. Once that's done, close Task Manager and open the Start menu again. Now, search for Run and open it. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open a folder on your computer. Scroll down until you find the Epic Games folder and double-click it. Then open the Saved folder. Inside here, you'll see a folder called Web Cache. Right-click on the Web Cache folder and click Delete. These are only temporary files, so it's completely safe to remove them, and they won't affect your Roblox account or games. After deleting the Web Cache folder, go ahead and reopen the Epic Games Launcher and check if the issue has been fixed. In most cases, this alone solves the problem. However, if you're still experiencing issues, you can take it one step further. Close Epic Games Launcher again and repeat the same steps by opening Run, typing %local app data % and pressing Enter. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder once more, but this time right-click on the entire Saved folder and delete it. After that, reopen Epic Games Launcher and it should recreate the necessary files automatically. And that's it. So that's basically how you can clear Epic Games Launcher cache. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.